Hi, this is James Page at FTTH Conference 2025 in Amsterdam. We're over here on the Skylane Optics stand, and we're going to have some detailed conversation now about some of the things that they've been talking about, some of the things that they've been showing at this year's show. And we're going to talk in a moment to Romain Bernhard, but first of all, we're going to talk to Roberth Gurnell. Robert, thank you for having a little bit of time for us. We saw you on stage a little bit earlier. You were having the conversation about some of the real key points and points of difference for Skylane Optics to do with efficiency and to do with quality control. Perhaps you could give us a little insight into what you were saying here earlier on.
Hi, thank you. Yes, I covered a few topics within the operational efficiencies in communications for transceivers. I talked a little bit about the operational expenditure savings that we can provide with our solutions. I covered the solutions from 1G to 800G that we provide in different form factors. But really the main part of the conversation in my presentation was about the quality control and what we do in Skylane Optics to retain the quality to our consumers with rigorous quality testing.
The testing's really important to Skylane Optics. It's really important to your customers too, because it's vital that anything they're putting into their network, and they can be really sure it's just going to work when they plug it in, isn't it?
Exactly. So that's why we spend a lot of time on the quality control as such, and we qualify a lot of different manufacturers before we take it in as a qualified product from Skylane Optics, and then we can ship it to the customer. And we also test each and every individual transceiver before it goes out to the customer, just to ensure that extra quality before they deploy it in the network.
Yeah, and that's absolutely vital. And I think you mentioned the range of different products and the sizes that we're talking about. Romain recently launched a new product onto the market, the 100 gig DCO, and we've got some demos of that running here. But maybe give us a sense of what that product is and why it was needed for the market.
So it really is a game changer in the telecommunication space, mostly for backhaul, data center interconnection. The beauty of that product is that you can retrofit existing ports, QSFP28 ports, plug this module in. It's really easy a plug and play. All the intelligence is on the module, so it really is hands off for the user. And it gives you the ability, without any amplification or chromatic dispersion, to shoot information about 80 kilometers, even 120 with amplification, and over WDM networks. So you can multiplex your links using existing ports and really have a massive data stream that is made available via these modules. So it really is a game changer.
And that's really becoming more and more important. That scale of the products from 100G and more is becoming really a much bigger part of the business.
That's one aspect. The other one is, as Robert was mentioning, the reuse of existing equipment. You don't want to replace all the switches, all the routers every second year. So what we're offering here is really a plug-and-play solution to enhance the capacity of your existing equipment. Yeah. And that really is also a cost-efficient way to just implement new features into your network to enable new services and shoot more information with the existing equipment.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for taking us through that. There's been a lot of interest in that demonstration while we've been here at the show, but if people want to find out more, we should direct them to the Skylane Optics website, where they can find out all of the details on the products and everything to do with the quality control and service that you guys provide. But for now, thank you both very much for taking the time to talk.
Thank you, James.